All right, what up, y'all? So, straight to the point. Uh, we got some quick jacks now. So, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this garage out a little bit and get this stuff set up. And we're gonna see what we're working with. Quick jacks are set up for the most part. Just finished bleeding them. Uh, I would have recorded me doing it, but I was trying to make sure I was doing the stuff right. So I was back and forth reading through the manual that you get. But you're gonna need 13 millimeter socket. That's to get these things out of the actual pump so you can get the quick connects in. You're gonna need a 17 millimeter wrench, an 18 millimeter wrench, a 27 millimeter wrench, and a 22 millimeter wrench. Also, a 4.5 millimeter Allen key and a 6 millimeter Allen key, and some thread tape. But that's it though. So 4 wrenches, 2 Allen keys, 13 millimeter socket, and that's everything you need, and some fluid. You need 2.1 quarts of fluid, so get you some of that. They got all different kinds. You can get transmission fluid or hydraulic fluid. So I got hydraulic fluid because I was using it in the Mustang. So that's it, and we're gonna test this thing out. Quick jack is up. This is the low setting. So I got a couple inches of clearance from the tires, front and back. So like I said, this is the low setting, so it goes higher, but my bad. It goes higher, but this is good enough. I'm gonna go ahead and slap these rims on. What up, y'all? So sorry about the noise, the dryer on, but I forgot to do an outro. So just quick run through. This is the Quick Jacks. I think it's SLX 7000. So this can lift anything up to 7,000 pounds. So most people get the 5. I thought about getting the 5, but I've been doing a lot of extra car work on other people's stuff. So I didn't want to get the 5 and end up dealing with something that I can't lift. So I'm trying to do a few more trucks from time to time. So I didn't want to run any risk of having not enough. So I went ahead and got this. It's a little bit taller than the 5, so jacking up the vette is going to be a problem. If you're getting it for personal use and you got like a vette or something, get the 5. It's maybe like, I think it's a little over, like I think it's like 3/4 of an inch shorter. So it's better for sliding under the vette and lifting it up. So when I lift the vette with this, I'm gonna have to put it on, drive up on some blocks or something first, and then slide these under. But other than that, man, works pretty good. It's the 110 volt, so it plugs up to the house plug. Comes with this little up and down switch, which is perfect. It's got these quick disconnects, so you just snap them in place, and it's filled with. This one is filled with transmission fluid. I said hydraulic fluid, I meant transmission fluid. You can do either, but I already have some transmission fluid from the Mustang, so that's how I ended up with transmission fluid in here. But yeah, once it's set up, it's like 15 seconds maybe, and then the car is up in the air. So works real fast. I just forgot to record that part when I was doing it. I was kind of I was working on this, and then I switched over. I had a customer come through that I forgot about, so I had to do that. I put some pictures up of that, but so I was busy, so I kind of got distracted and forgot to record the rest. But this setup was like a little bit under $2,100, but it's the lift. Uh, it's these extensions for lifting up a truck. So or just a tall car or something, whatever. So it's these 5-inch extensions. So if you lift something that's already a little bit lifted, it's got these extended frames. So like if I'm lifting something where the jack points are too far away, I can add these on there. But they make the clearance a little, you have to be a little higher up in the air for it to work because it raises the height of these rails. Like, I don't know, maybe a couple inches or something. So that's just something to think about. And Yeah, I think that's all I got extra. Just the 5-inch lifts and this extension. But real dope, worth the money. Should have been got one. Like I said, if I wasn't planning on working on other people's cars as much, I would have just got the 5,000. But the 7,000, this would be good enough, so I shouldn't have any issues in the future. I can lift whatever. It goes up about like a foot and a half or so, so you can do exhaust work real easy under there. I wouldn't recommend trying to drop transmissions or anything because it's not high enough. But exhaust work, oil changes, all that type of stuff, perfect. Taking wheels on and off, perfect. So brake jobs, tires, all that stuff, it's worth it. So that's it for this. And like I said, sorry for the noise because the dryer is on. But yeah, stick around for whatever else comes next. Oh, I don't know what day this is going up, but I have some more videos coming up Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 10 in the morning. So I'll catch y'all then.